subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
In the last video, we have learned about functions in JavaScript. Now, we are going to learn what are events in our JavaScript. So basically, when a function is get called, it must needs to be triggered from an event. So these events we are going to learn in this video. So whenever an event is triggered, the functions get called. So we have many more functions in JavaScript like onClick, onChange, onInput, and some of them we are going to learn or see here. So there are some mouse over event also, which is like on mouse over, on mouse enter, or on mouse leave. So these are some other events which are present in our JavaScript. So for that, let me create one button and let it be named as click. And here I am adding an onClick event, and onClick event we are going to add some function. So whenever this button is clicked, the function will get called. So here I am creating a function that is change item. So function change item. So let me do one thing here. Let me create something there or input tag. Let its ID be something as AD. Okay, and let the inner HTML be NS. So now, whenever I click on this button, I want to change this ID. For that, I will write document.getElement by ID. So I'm referencing the ID here. ID as heading dot. So I want to change the HTML. So here I'm writing dot inner HTML and whatever the inner HTML I want. So here NS code YouTube channel is the new inner HTML that I want. So let's open the browser. When you see in the browser, when I click on this button, the function will get called. And as you can see, the inner HTML of h4 tag is now changed. That is NS code YouTube channel. So this is how like onClick event works. Now we can see some more stuffs here. For that, let me create one select item, select option thing. That is basically a drop down thing. So let me create some options here. So option and having a value as initially the first one will be null. So it will say select item, and then another option it will be having the value as suppose let it be HTML. Then another option will try to like create this option, try to select, and whenever I select some option from the select item, so we should be getting the item which we have selected. So this should be achieved by using an event that is onChange event. So let me first write this option. So JavaScript changing the value with respect to that. So CSS and selected. These are the options that we have with our select. And let me add a span where we are going to show what is being selected by us. So let ID to result and basically write some basic text here. First of all, let me remove this from select item. And now we will add one event that is onChange event. And on onChange event, I am going to take a call a function. So whenever option is selected, there is an onChange event that got triggered, and this will call this function. This trigger will call this function that is get change item. So I'll write this get change item function and will simply take the event here and I'll pass the event. So now get the value will need to use console.log event.target.value. So whatever you are going to like select from this select option, those values we are going to get in our console. And also we will try to show it on our browser. So let me write document.getElement by ID. That is result.innerHTML equals to event.target.value. So now let's save the changes and let's take a look on the browser. Now when I selecting HTML, as you can see, the HTML is there. I am selecting CSS, the CSS is there, and when I select JavaScript, as you can see JavaScript is there. And when I select item, that is none. So this is how like we can see the onChange event. Now let me pass something when nothing is like instead of null, let me pass something inside the value of selected. And let inner HTML be selected item plus. Right? Yeah. So now we will be having selected item as HTML, selected item. Let me add some space here with these. Let me write here. Instead of doing this, I can be space only. Now, as you can see, the selected item is the selected item is here, and selected item is JavaScript. And when selected item is there, nothing is being shown. So you have selected nothing. So this is how like we can use the onChange event Now let's try to see some more things, like some more events which we have in our Angular. Not in Angular, in JavaScript. So let's add some event that is on mouse enter on the h1 tag, and let me call a function change color. So whenever a mouse will enter over this heading h1 tag, this function will get triggered, that is change color function. So here what we are going to do, change the color of this h1 tag. So we will write document.getElement by id heading dot style dot color, and whatever the color we want, so let the color be red. Yeah. Now let's save the changes. As you can see, whenever I'm like going the pointer on the HTML h1 tag, the color is changing. Now let me add one more event, that is on mouse leave, because whenever I am leaving that mouse from that h1 tag, the color is not changing to its original color, that is the black one. So I want to achieve that. So for that I have added an event that is on mouse leave and called a function that is remove color. So on remove color, we will write document.getElement by id and the getting dot style dot color equals to, it was initial color, that is black. So let me save this changes, and browser, as you can see, when I'm hovering over the NS code, it is changing, but yeah, as you can see, color didn't change. I just misspelled the on mouse leave. Yeah, now let's save changes in the browser. Now as you can see, it's working perfectly. So these are some of the events which are present in our JavaScript, using which you can like achieve some of the more functionalities which are available in JavaScript. So basically what we have learned, so there are some events which triggers the sub function, and based on those triggers we can like do some functionalities whatever required with our DOM.